Everybody, today we're going to be replacing a screen on this Colorado. It has the infamous ghost touch. So, just going to disconnect the battery and start getting all this ready to take off. As you can see, we got the unit from the dealership. Let's go ahead and just pop this bad baby open. Sheesh. Gonna disconnect the battery, just like that. Just slide my hand. Shit. Oh god. Gotta give it some good loving. Push it back in. Right there. Everybody, I'm just gonna kind of just slightly pull it out. There's that. Just like that. Old unit. Okay, everybody, so I'm just gonna take my new unit out. Brand new. Put everything back. But we ended up having to replace this as well. So it's connected, that's connected. It's not coming out, it's not coming out. Always just double check them back. Just go ahead and slightly push in. Baby's up in there. I mean, just don't go. Boom, that's it. As soon as it bottoms out, guys, literally. Alright, guys, just gonna. Everybody, so I'm just gonna go ahead and confirm that everything is good.
Gators 101, we're off for tomorrow morning.